how much should you actually spend on red light therapy machines? Because some people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Bonadave Red Light Therapy Pad. First up, we have the Bonadave Red Light Therapy Pad. Priced at just $39.99, this one caught my attention because of its bestseller badge and over 2,400 positive reviews. If you want a portable solution for body comfort, this is worth a serious look. With 315 lights in total, it covers more area, meaning you can effectively treat your back, knees, and shoulders right at home. Plus, it's got a pulse mode that optimizes energy efficiency, letting you feel a gentle warmth while you relax. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're dealing with sore muscles or just want to unwind, this pad can help ease tension without the need for expensive spa visits. Now, some people complain that the corded design limits where you can sit or lie down while using it. Here's the thing though, if you have a comfortable spot at home, this isn't a deal breaker. Plus, at this price, it's pretty hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, easy-to-use option for treating sore muscles. Skip this one if you need something more high-tech or portable without cords. For the price, you're getting solid value. Now, if the corded design bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its more robust features. Product number 2, Hygge HG300 Red Light Therapy Panel. Next, let's talk about the Hygge HG300 Red Light Therapy Panel. At $199, it's a bit of an investment, but with a 4.6-star rating from over 1,100 reviews, it's definitely a contender. If you want a compact yet powerful tool for daily wellness, this one's worth a serious look. This panel has 60 LEDs emitting both 660 nm red light and 850 nm near-infrared light, which are great for skin care, workout recovery, and even improving your sleep. It delivers over 73 mW/cm2 irradiance at 6 inches, meaning you're getting strong light output right where you need it. This is perfect for targeted sessions, whether you're using it after a workout or winding down at night. Here's why this matters. You can customize your experience by using red light, near-infrared, or both, depending on your needs. However, some users noted that it could be a bit heavy to move around. Now, if you plan on keeping it in one place, that shouldn't be an issue. It's sturdy, and with a 50,000-hour LED lifespan, it's a long-term investment for your health. This is perfect for you if you want a dedicated panel for your wellness routine at home. Skip this one if you're looking for something more portable or if weight is a concern. For the quality, it's a solid buy. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more sophisticated setup. Product number 3, Hygge Pro 300 Red Light Therapy Panel. Now let's check out the Hygge Pro 300. At $299, it's on the pricier side, but with a 4.7-star rating and over 771 reviews, this one is a powerhouse. If you're serious about your wellness routine, this is worth considering. It delivers an impressive 109 mW/cm2 irradiance at 6 inches, ensuring you get effective treatment wherever you shine it. This versatility makes it perfect for skincare and recovery. You can track your sessions easily with a built-in timer, which is a nice touch for those who like to keep things organized. Here's why this matters. Whether you're preparing your skin for the day or winding down post-exercise, it fits right into your routine. Some users mention the price as a drawback, feeling it's a bit steep. Here's the thing though, if you're committed to regular use, this investment can save you money on spa visits and skincare products in the long run. This is perfect for you if you want a high-quality, versatile panel for everyday use. Skip this if you're on a tight budget or looking for something smaller. It's definitely worth the investment if you prioritize your health. Now, if you're looking for something a bit different, the next product has a unique twist. Product number 4, Bue Red Light Therapy Mask. Next up is the Bue Red Light Therapy Mask, priced at $79.98. With a 4.5-star rating from over 636 reviewers, this one caught my attention for its innovative approach. If you want a convenient way to treat your face and neck, this mask is definitely worth a look. This mask offers 7 different colors of LED light, allowing for targeted skin care. Using 100 light points, it covers a lot of areas, making it easy to multitask while you pamper yourself. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You can enjoy professional-level skincare without stepping out of your house, and it's super easy to incorporate into your routine. Now, some users did find it a bit bulky and difficult to wear comfortably for extended periods. Here's the thing though, if you can find a comfortable position, the results can be well worth the minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an effective and affordable way to elevate your skincare routine. Skip this if you prefer a more traditional treatment method. For the price, it's a great addition to your self-care toolkit. Now, if a portable option is more your style, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 5. LifePro LumiCure Portable Red Light Therapy Torch. Finally, we have the LifePro LumiCure Portable Red Light Therapy Torch, which is priced at $99.99. With a solid 4.4-star rating and over 1,400 reviews, this one is a great option for those on the go. If you want a lightweight and easy-to-use device for muscle and joint support, this is worth considering. It's designed to be used on your muscles and joints, delivering targeted relief wherever you need it. With a wrist strap and zippered case, it's super easy to carry around, making it perfect for those who travel or have busy lifestyles. Here's why this matters for you. You can incorporate it into your daily routine without hassle, whether at home or on the go. However, some complaints noted that the battery life could be better for longer sessions. Here's the thing, if you're using it for quick relief, this shouldn't be a deal breaker, and it's still very effective for shorter sessions. This is perfect for you if you want a portable solution for muscle relief and wellness. Skip this if you need something for longer continuous use. For the price, you're getting a solid value for a handy wellness tool. So to wrap it up, we've looked at the Bonadave pad for budget-friendly comfort, the Huga HG300 for compact daily use, the Pro 300 for serious enthusiasts, the Bue mask for skincare lovers, and the LifePro LumiCure for portable relief. Each option has its strengths, so it really comes down to what fits your needs best.